Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Introducing a stunning property that offers a one-of-a-kind opportunity to own a slice of paradise. Situated on an expansive 5+ acre lot, this breathtaking estate boasts panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea that are truly awe-inspiring. Featuring 4 generously sized bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 2 en-suites. This property is perfect for a large family or those who enjoy hosting guests. Additionally, the property is conveniently located just 5 minutes away from the coast, allowing easy access to sun, sand, and sea. Recreation is also close at hand, with a variety of activities available nearby. Guys, please take a look at this house and watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.